What's happening?
Hi,
Yeah, not bad, good.
All the stories about it.
Huh?
Can you tell your friend?
No. I'm Shaun Tobin, the race director of the Richard Burton 10K. Port Talbot boy, born and bred. In June 1980, that's off I went and joined the Navy. As soon as I joined, I got into sport. It just changed my life, to be honest. I ended up in the steelworks in '89, and at that time, I suppose my running was getting much better. I got picked for Wales. I started winning races locally. My career was taking off, really. The Richard Burton 10K, which I'd run from my early running days, really, was about to fold. I was asked then, would I take it on the ethos of, and I said that as long as the money goes back to the community. My idea was, it's called the Richard Burton 10K, so perhaps we should go past the birthplace of Richard Burton and bring Pontrhydyfen into it. We have a massive post-race party in the rugby club. One year they even ran out of beer, so, you know. The Valley's for me a special place, and it's a great place to live, and the people that live here are great people as well. They all come out and support. Last year it's 40 odd years now the race has been going. It's one of the oldest road races in Britain, I think.